Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll show you how to fix the you have been logged out error on Instagram. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My internet already connected. Okay, done. And now long tap your Instagram app and tap on I button, scroll down, then tap on force stops. Okay, now tap on storage, tap on clear data, delete. Okay, back, and now tap on permission option and allow all permission. Complete. First calendar allow and another logs, camera, contacts and accounts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos and videos last. Okay, allow all permission. Complete. Okay, back to home screen and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, back to home screen and open your Instagram app and now enter your password here and now logging your Instagram app. And I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe and like, comment, share now.